Hello everybody, my name is Lance Maketel, Regional Mobility Specialist for Freedom Motors. And today I'm going to introduce to you our Kia Sorento wheelchair accessible vehicle. This is very unique because most people that want this type of vehicle would prefer not to drive a minivan. This is a rear entry manual access, super light, aircraft grade aluminum ramp, spring loaded, so it's basically effortless. It's got a 30.5-inch ramp and entryway. We've got a stainless steel frame on this so it'll never rust, non-skid surface, and commercial grade flooring. We also have securement in here for the shoulder harness, and 4 points for the wheelchair securement. We have different type of securement systems. It comes standard with the straps. We also have retractables that are available, as well as an easy lock, which is much simpler. We also install deluxe rear bucket seats, which makes it very nice, and you still have plenty of room to get the wheelchair in between so you can sit between your loved ones. I think that's pretty much it. I can talk about the Sorento. I'll tell you what, I've been driving one of these for a while as a demo and showing them to my customers. They love them, and you cannot tell that it's been converted. I mean, it just drives like a normal Sorento, and with the full 8 inches of ground clearance, you're driving a real SUV. Thank you.